Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, Mr. Dodi. Let us reintroduce ourselves again. My name is Mahesa Putranto, and this here is also my project partner, Theo. And right now we are going to present a simulation of our family data program. So our family data program is about being able to enter and store data about families. There are two types of data that can be inserted and edited. There's a parent data, contains a mother and father name, and a child data which will be connected to the parent data. And now my partner Theo is going to show a bit of the code right now.
Okay, so yeah, let me skim through the functions and procedures we've made. So there is the create list procedure here, and then the allocate functions for parent and child. We also have the insertion procedures for parent and child lists. And we have the deletion procedures for parent and child lists as well. And here we have the functions for find parent and find parent address. And there's the selection sort procedures. Here we have the view procedures. And then we have the max child here. The max child here is to show the parents who have the most children, and the min child procedure here is to show the parents who have the least children. And then we also have the select menu function. So the code here you can check it through the code that we will send to you through LMS. Okay. And for the insertion and deletion process, we only use insert first and delete last to simplify the program. And here, not all the function and procedure created here were used. However, we did not delete it because we worked hard on that. And besides that, it helps us to learn from our mistakes so we don't repeat it next time. Okay, next, Kimi. We will run the code. Yeah.
Okay, as you can see, we have just run the code, and right here is the main menu with 10 options from add parent data to exit. First, we are going to show how to add parent data and then add child data. So to start add parent data, we input 1 into the input menu. And then the program asks us to enter the father name. For example, we will enter Gary. And then also the mother name, which we will input here. And as you can see, the parent's information has been inserted to the list. And then next, we are going to add the child data for Gary and Gina. To do that, we insert 2 into the input menu. Here for example, we give the child name Karen. Child gender female, her age will be 11, birth year 2012. And here we are asked to enter the child's parent name. This can be either the father or the mother name. And we hear Gary, and it has been inserted to the list. Next, we will enter another child data. We will name the child Kiki. The child will be male, age 7, birth year 2016. And since we will enter Gina, which will be the mother name of the child. Successful, okay. Now we will show the data which by inserting 5, and as you can see, the father's name Gary and mother's name Gina has 2 children, which is Kiki and Karen. Okay, next we will add another parent data to the program. To do that, we will input 1. And now let's enter Michael as the father and Mudita as the mother. Then we will give Michael and Mudita some children by adding child data by setting 2. We will give Henry, child gender male, age 10, birth year 2013. And we shall assign him to Michael, which is the father name. Successfully inserted. Now we will add another child. The child name will be Haya. The child gender will be female. Her age will be 6, birth year 2017. And we will also enter Michael as the father name. Next we will enter another child. Child name will be Hillary. Gender will be female. Her age will be 2. Her birth year is 2021. And we will enter the parent name Mudita, which is the mother name for her. Now we will show all data to show the data that the data has been successfully added. And as you can see, Michael and Mudita have been inserted at the top because we use insert first for the insertion. And you can see the child's name, Hillary, Haya, and Henry. So we have successfully added the data. Next, we will present the show child by parent option by field.
Okay. So next, we're going to show child by parent in number 6. Okay, so we input the menu here. So here we show the children of a parent by entering their parent's name. So for example, we insert Gary. Yeah. And then we can see here that Gary is the father of Kiki and Karen. And then, for example, we check again for Mudita. And we can see that Mudita is the mother of Hillary, Haya, and Henry. Okay, next we're going to see the menu on number 7, which is show parent by child. So here we show the parents of a child by entering their child's name. Okay, so we check for Karen. So here we can see that Karen is the daughter of Gary and Gina. And then we check again for Henry. And here we can see that Henry is the son of Michael and Mudita. Okay. Next, Kimi will explain about the show parent with the most children.
Okay. As you said, I will show what happens if you input 8, which is to show parent the most children. After we insert 8, the program will automatically show us the parent pair who have the most children. In this case, it's Michael and Mudita as the parents, and the number of children that they have right now is 3. And now after that, we have to show parent with the least children, which will be the opposite. So it will show the opposite result of the above. If we input 9, okay, the program has outputted the results, and you can see Gary and Gina have the least children, and that they have 2 children. Next, finally, we will show the delete parent and child procedure, which will be demonstrated by Theo.
Okay, so now I'm going to explain about the deletion process. But first, it is important to know that we use delete last. So since we use delete last, then the last data will be deleted. So if we see the data here, okay, for example, if we do deletion to Michael's child data, then Henry's data here will be deleted because Henry is the last in the list. And for example, we can try the delete child data number 4. And then we enter parent name Michael here. Yeah, so the deletion is success. And then we can see show all data. So here we can see that Henry's data is removed. Okay, and if you want to do deletion to Mudita's child's data, then highest data will be deleted next. So for example, number 4, Mudita. Then we can see all the data here. Yeah, so it is proven that highest data is removed next. Okay. Next is the delete parent data. So to delete parents' data, we also use delete last. And if we can see the list here, according to this list, the deletion process will remove Gary's and Gina's data first, and then Michael's and Mudita's data because Gary's and Gina's data is last in the list. So let's try number 3, delete parent data. Okay, the deletion is a success. Then we can show all the data here. So we can see that Gina's and Gary's data is already removed. Then if we delete the parents' data again, okay, here it is said all data is removed. So if we choose number 5 here, the list is already empty. Okay. Next, Kimi.
All right. And if we are finished with the program, we can input 0 to exit the program. Like you can see, exited from program and convert to 0. Okay, so that is all for our family data program demonstration. We have shown all of the options that we have done. We would like to thank you for your attention. We hope we didn't do anything wrong to offend. And thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you.